How to fix Telegram video not playing. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the ways on how to fix Telegram video not playing. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is to open the Telegram app. Once you're here, just tap the tab icon on the top left corner of your screen and go to settings. Next, scroll down and tap for the data and storage. Here, make sure to turn all of this on when using mobile data, when Wi-Fi is connected, and this when roaming. Once they are turned on, you will able to play your videos on Telegram. If the problem still occurs, this might be your internet connection. If you have a good connection but still doesn't fix the problem, the file they sent to you might be corrupted. You can ask your sender to send again the file to you. And that's how you fix Telegram videos from not playing. I hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this video. See you soon on the next video.